Ting from Brixton. She likes the way that I'm living. She's drinking, I'm winning. I'm winning, I'm minding my ting from Brixton. Likes the way that I'm, yeah. Likes the way that I'm always there. Likes the way that she thinks I care. Link my ting.
Hey, market challenge, let's go. Yeah, I might link my ting from North. Yeah, she bad to the bone. South thing there, she be giving it all. My East ting, don't lie me, I be airing the course. And how could I forget my Westings, of course? It gets bait on the roads when she with me. I tell her clothes coming, gimme. Hey, say you don't need to be so mean.
Ooh, yeah. I'm joking, I'm not that guy, so it's not me and that. Hey, why you laughing? Shut up, right? Listen, look. I might link my ting from Kennington. She want my crepes, now she's selling them. I'm selling feds, you're going pen. She's done this to many men. I might link my ting from Kennington. She want my crepes, now she's selling them. I'm selling feds, you're going pen. She's done this to many men. I might link my ting from Kennington.
Look. See, I wish I had a thing from Barking, but I don't. I got a sweet good Jones from the West End Grove. It's kind of funny though, she only hollers for a moat, so I guess I'm doing 2018 on my own. See my Wembley thing, she live right near the stadium. Southeast ting going snappy up in Bagel King. I got this one posh ting, she from Surrey, but she think I'm in end shooting like I'm Curry.
Link my ting from Bradford, 7 a.m. that bastard. She's easy, smoke shisha, no visa, fake eases. She's from Bradford. Yep, there's a slight little problem. She has no passport. That bastard. Deportation is all she can ask for.
I'm mailing my from Barking, 7 a.m. in Orange. Same story. Gotta get the bus, gotta get to work. Forget negativity, just sit on my shirt, yeah. You said you talked to Emily. She told you stuff about me while drinking Hennessy. Must be jealousy. She got that doesn't see. Doesn't matter. She's not my only enemy.
Yo, barking challenge. Hello. No, hometown edition, fam. Hometown stand-up. Yo, I might link my ting from Perry Bar. No 3 yards, so I'm beating the car. I'm these teachers said she got AIDS. I took out my shank and chef in the face. I might link my ting from Wilson Green. The boom look kinda orange and green. I know bear man they been there like a canteen. I know beat that I caught HIV. I might link my ting from Soho Road. I took off the weave, that bitch was bold. I know the bitch was bold. What's on the bold? The head is bold.
Yeah. I'ma leave my tin from Barking, from Ghana to the Barking. I'm eating fufu when I'm banking, eating jollof when I'm banking. I eat my fufu banking, when I'm banking. I'm eating my fufu my banking, when I'm banking, drinking the coke, drinking the soup. When I drinking the soup, feeling strong, and I feel like strong, and I feeling strong, and I drinking the coke. When I ran and I drinking the soup, when I drinking the soup, feeling strong, and I feeling strong. I'm out here from feeling from a bankai. When I find band in Ghana, I'm eating fufu. When I eat fufu, when I eat jollof, when I eat jollof, I'ma leave my tin from a Ghana. Now from that time in a bankai, ain't eating the fufu. When I eating the fufu, eating the fufu, when I eating the fufu. No, money girls, money girls. These girls are from Ghana. These girls are from Ghana. I said that money girls, money girls. These girls are from Ghana. These girls are from Ghana. When a black and a light skin, that from Ghana. Always are from Ghana. They from Ghana. Or the light skin, black skin, light skin. Wanna Ghana. They are from Ghana. They are from Ghana. I'ma eat my team from Barking. Definitely in a Barking. Eat on bean, the stony. This don't be that corny. These guys in a frame from the Barking. Whenever I'm down in the Barking, we salty, we eating, we drinking. Money girl, money girl. These girls are from Ghana. These girls are from Ghana. I said that money girl. Money girl. These girls are from Ghana. These girls are from Ghana. I'm a from Ghana. I eatin' a fufu. I eatin' a jollof rice and I eatin' a jollof rice. Black girls. Always eating a fufu, eating a jollof. I'ma leave my team from Ghana. I eating fufu when I eating jollof. I'ma leave my team from Ghana. I'm eating fufu when I'm eating bankun and jollof rice. Yeah. Eya mundi fufu. Eya mundi banku. Ghana, de homeland, homeland, Eya mundi fufu. Eya mundi banku. Ghana, de. Me to UK. I'm from UK.